Hi, this is Shay with Trucks to Sales here today looking at this mini end dump trailer with 18-foot Ridgeline dump body from Hall Lane Manufacturing. This is pretty much the lowest cost way to haul 20 plus tons depending on what state you're in here. You can even get 20 tons with just a single axle tractor. With this particular trailer here, this is a low cost option here. This particular Ridgeline dump body, and the trailer bumper to bumper is 24 feet with the axles slid in, but as you can see here, we got the slider where you can slide the axles back 4 foot, and that's when you get the 20 tons with the axles slid back. So these are used chassis that we're putting brand new beds on. We picked out some really good chassis here with no rust. Go ahead and get under this one here in a second just so you can see. But see, we got nice clean suspension here. All new brake cans on this one as well. And then we also have an option on these for new hubs and new brakes. So we basically put new hubs, drums, and brakes where you can get the regular hub piloted one. We're actually going to do that on this trailer as well. So it's getting the swap to the regular hub piloted ones there. Here, get another. So yeah, we did pick some really clean chassis, not some beat up old rusted ones. In order to put these beds on, we try to get the cleanest ones possible. Right now it's got the mechanical latch there for sliding the axles. You just pull that bar out, and then with the trailer brakes on, pull forward, and it'll just snap into place there, it should. And you're ready to go with the axle slid back. We can also put an air piston on there, so you don't have to get out of the truck and switch in the dash. You might see a bunch of these Ridgeline style dump bodies on the road, but you can tell that it's ours. We got that unique top rail. The tailgate has a ridge on it as well, so no dirt sits on there. And then we got no cross members on the floor, so you don't get that rippled effect as well. We can also do a 20-foot bed and 24-foot on this particular trailer chassis. Here, we got a whole bunch of different dump body options. Pretty much any one of the Hall Lane dump bodies we can put on here with any of the options. So you can still get bed vibrator, a high lift tailgate, electric tarp, all the same options as you could on a dump truck you can get on this trailer. And the reason why we like going with the 18-foot, for one, it's harder to tip over. Two, you only need the 3-stage hydraulic hoist, so that's less money, you know, if somehow something happens to it, to replace. As well as with this 18-foot with the axles slid back, you can pretty much just load this bed right in the middle. So you don't have to mound the weight in the front or the back. You can pretty much just do a nice even load there, and you know, with a single axle tractor, and you will get an even load. So sometimes if you're going to be hauling it with a tandem tractor, we might recommend the 20-foot bed, and pretty much same thing with that one and a tandem. You're just going to load that bed right in the middle. This is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Thanks for viewing. We also have a video comparing this mini full frame end dump to a Super 10 dump truck, and we do some maneuverability tests and do some U-turns, and you can see that video on our channel as well. Please visit our website at www.truckstosales for more information. Thank you.